everyone, welcome to the Huawei, the new interactive classroom. In this classroom, it will automatically tracing the teacher, the student, and the whole class. To make the student in remote site can see the whole progress of the class. So let's demo it. Before demonstration, I would like to show the environment. I would like to show the point-to-point distance learning, such as teaching classroom and the remote classroom. At first, you can find the two screens in my teaching classroom, such as one screen is like the teacher's computer to show some teaching content. And for the distance learning, another screen is very important. So what is used for? Which is used for showing the remote site student. As you can see, I can see the remote site student through this screen. Okay, not only this classroom has two screens, this classroom also has 5 cameras, such as the teacher's close-up you have seen. And later I will show more the thing, like the content on my PC and Blackboard and the student. Okay, so let's go to see the remote site classroom environment. In fact, in the remote site classroom, it also has two screens. One screen to show the teacher or the student, and another screen is to show the content. So let's start the demo. When the teacher stands still, you will see the close-up of the teacher, and you can also see the contents on my PC. And when the teacher works on the platform, you will see the full view of it. And when the teacher stands still again, it will focus the teacher again. Well, the teacher will write on the blackboard. When the teacher writing on the blackboard, you can see the blackboard close up very clearly. And also, you can see the teacher at the same time. And I can also ask a student stand up and answering question. Okay, would you please stand up for us? Okay, would you please read the word on my blackboard?
Huawei.
Okay, very good. As you can see, when the student in my side stand up, you can see the student close up of him. Okay, sit down, please. When the student sit down, you will go back to the teacher again. And I can go to the student area to make an interaction. Now you can see the full view of all the students and the teacher. I can also make the interaction with some students. And in this time, you can see the close-up of the interaction between the student and the teacher. The teacher will go back to the platform. Now you can see the teacher on the platform again. Okay, very good. I can also ask a student to write on the blackboard. Okay, would you please, Jessica? As you can see, when the students writing on the blackboard, it will show the blackboard close-up and the full view of the platform. Okay, go. Thank you. When the students sit down, you will go back to the teacher again. I can also make the flip the PowerPoint. It will automatically to switch to the PowerPoint again. Not only it can trace the whole progress in this teaching classroom, I can also make the same technology in remote site classroom, such as I can see the full view of the remote site, and I can also ask some students to make interaction. So let's demo it. Jack, would you please stand up? Okay, very good. As you can see, when the student standing up, I can see the close-up of him, and I can also ask him to write it on the blackboard. Okay, Jack, would you please demo for us?
Okay.
Good. As you can see, when the remote site students writing in the remote classroom, I can also see the close-up of the blackboard very clearly. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Also, in this classroom, it can also to record the whole class automatically. So that's all the demonstration of the Huawei, the new interactive classroom. Thank you.
Huawei Telepresence Live eClassroom solution is designed for interactive distance learning, which uses the technology of 5 camera positions, 6 different shots, and two-way auto-tracking. This makes Huawei Telepresence Live eClassroom solution becomes the first of its kind in the industry. It delivers the full view image of the teacher, the close-up shot of the teacher, the full view image of the students, the close-up shot of the students, the close-up shot of the blackboard, and the shot of computer courseware, comprehensively from different angles in high definition to the branch classroom. It feels like the remote students are part of the main classroom, which makes them become better involved in the learning process. The main classroom will, according to the required teaching procedure, deliver its teaching scene and content of the teaching materials on the basis of focused points of interest to the branch classroom, and also provide signal auto-switching. Besides, when the students at the branch classroom give feedback and speak, multiple scenes of the podium and the blackboard, etc., can also be transmitted back in real time to the main classroom, so that the teacher at the main classroom can better understand the learning situation of the remote students, thus able to make timely adjustment to the method of teaching. Huawei Telepresence Live eClassroom solution makes up for the common pitfalls of traditional interactive auto-tracking systems, such as not being able to see clearly, not being able to see completely, and poor interactive capabilities. It also provides better services for interactive distance learning, promoting balanced development of educational resources and education equity.